Hey, I'm Brian Rogers with the Forecast 3D R&D department. Forecast 3D utilizes 3D printing in ways that you may not have realized are possible. By combining 3D printing with other processes, we can produce soft goods, many different textures, colors. We replicate pretty much anything. Our urethane casting process is a perfect example of complementary technologies. My passion project here is the ultimate dream version of my favorite BMX bike. I adapted a Gates carbon drive system while making it look as original as possible. The correct grips for this are no longer available, and without them, the project is incomplete. Fortunately, I was able to find a new set in the mini size, which are much too small to fit my hands or my bike, but their physical details served a purpose. One of our talented CAD designers replicated the pattern in SolidWorks, then stretched the dimensions to fit a standard size handlebar. We then printed a high-resolution master pattern in one of our SLA machines, where a laser cures UV-sensitive resin one layer at a time to build parts. Excess resin was removed in an alcohol bath before curing the parts under UV light. One of our premium finishers removed the layer lines from the printed masters and applied the specific surface finish to replicate the texture of the original grips. A craftsman in our molding department built supports and an enclosure for the masters and filled it with silicone to create a mold. After curing, the silicone mold was split and the masters removed, leaving perfect impressions of the features in the cavities. From there, our casting department sealed and injected the cavities with urethane in the correct color and durometer. With the urethane cured, we opened the silicone molds to extract the newly created grips. A few minutes in the finishing department to clean up some details, and they were ready for install. Stepping back and looking at my project now that it's got that one critical and otherwise unobtainable detail is a bit surreal. They look and feel just like the originals, and I'm stoked to go ride it.